Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I'll show you how to clean your washing machine inside and out to get rid of bad smell, limescale, mold and dirt. I will also tell you how to take care of your washing machine so that it stays clean longer. See what condition my washing machine is in. It's quite dirty on the outside. There is a lot of limescale on the door and on the rubber seal. In addition, the washing machine smells unpleasant inside. Unpleasant odor inside the washing machine is due to dirt that accumulates under the rubber seal and detergent residues that are not fully rinsed out of the washing machine. All this becomes an excellent breeding ground for bacteria, due to which an unpleasant odor appears. If you answer the question, how often should I clean the washing machine? It all depends on how often you wash and the quality of the water in your area. If you do laundry every day, then you need to clean the washing machine once every 3 months. If you do laundry 2-3 times a week, then it is enough to clean the washing machine 2 times a year. If your water is hard and plug, for example, appears in the kettle quickly, then you need to clean the washing machine more often. Let's start cleaning the washing machine. First, clean the drum from dirt. To do this, take some baking soda and dilute it with water to make a thick paste. Next, using a damp sponge, begin to clean all the dirt inside the drum. After cleaning, wipe the drum with a damp cloth. A small amount of soda may remain in the holes of the drum. This is not a problem. Now let's make a cleaner to clean the door and the rubber seal in the washing machine. To do this, mix equal part plain white vinegar and dishwashing detergent. Work the dirt on the rubber seal with the resulting cleaning agent using a sponge or brush and leave it like this for 5 minutes. With the same cleaning agent, you need to process the door of the washer. After 5 minutes, you can start cleaning the door and rubber gasket. Clean all cracks and hard-to-reach places with a brush. Clean the outside of the door with a soft sponge to avoid scratches. After cleaning, wipe the door and the rubber seal in the washing machine with a soft, clean cloth. The next place where a lot of dirt and bacteria accumulate is the detergent dispenser. Mine was very dirty. Now, as you can see, the detergent dispenser is clean. Here, look, this is a before-after photo. How to clean the detergent dispenser I will show you in a separate video. I will leave a link to it in the description. Also, don't forget to clean the compartment in the washing machine where the tray is inserted. Now let's move on to the most important thing, how to clean the washing machine inside. I will clean the washing machine with plain white vinegar. To do this, pour 250 ml of vinegar into the powder compartment. Next, you need to select the longest washing cycle and set the maximum temperature. It is 90 degrees Celsius for me. Activate the extra rinse and set the maximum amount for spinning. I have 1000 revolutions per minute. I start the cleaning of the washing machine and wait until the cycle is completed. By the way, please note that when cleaning the washing machine, you don't need to put anything in the drum. It must be empty. I also have this sticker on my washing machine. Let me show you how to peel off such a sticker and get rid of the sticky residue from the sticker. The first thing I do is soak the tissue in vinegar, stick it on the sticker and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the entire paper part of the sticker was easily removed, but a sticky layer remained. To get rid of stickiness after the sticker, stick napkins soaked in vegetable oil on it for 10 minutes. After such a procedure, there will be no trace of the sticker. My cleaning cycle is over. I turn off the washing machine and unplug it. Now you definitely need to clean the filter of the washer pump. I have a snap-on filter cover, so I need something to pry it off. It may also be that you need to lightly press the lid to open it. Further, or through a special tube, drain the remaining water from the washing machine. Then you need to unscrew the filter, or use a rag to soak the water into it. Clean the filter of dirt and wash it under running water. Screw the clean filter back into place. Tighten it completely so that water doesn't drip from under it. To clean the outside of the washing machine, I pour 1 cup of warm water into a spray bottle and I add a drop of dishwashing detergent to this. I spray the washing machine with the solution and clean all the dirt with a microfiber cloth. Well, cleaning the washing machine is almost over. I take a dry microfiber cloth and wipe it dry. Now let's talk about how to prevent mold and the bad smell in the washing machine. After finishing washing, try to get things out of the washer as soon as possible. Wipe dry the rubber seal, the powder tray and the compartment where it is inserted. Always leave the washing machine door and the powder drawer open, then the air will circulate inside and it will prevent mold in the washing machine. So friends, now you know how to clean the washing machine from mold, unpleasant odors and dirt, how often should this cleaning be done and what to do to prevent odors in the washing machine. I hope these tips were helpful to you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of useful videos. Thank you all for watching. Bye!